brought to you by SAP. SAP helps companies run like never before. Learn more by visiting us online.
Now, NeoTel has recently launched Neo Broadband powered by LTE, a fixed wireless LTE solution designed to improve connectivity for small and medium as well as large enterprises by offering customers a choice of speeds and prices. But the LTE space in South Africa is still a relatively tight one. So will they take the chunk out of the market that they're so desperate for? Let's take a look at this.
Neo Broadband powered by LTE is really enabling people to run their business because it provides now the speed, the flexibility, the user experience to be able to get uncapped broadband over an infrastructure which is the latest technology now available.
Neo Broadband is a fixed wireless solution designed for small and medium enterprises as well as large businesses and was launched by NeoTel last week. The initial rollout of the LTE network is available in the Gauteng area, covering about 50 base stations.
It's a fixed wireless deployment, unlike many other deployments that have happened, which essentially means that you do have a consistent user experience because it's not a mobile, it's not a dongle-based service, because businesses, if they run their business, they do need consistent user experience. They need to have the availability, the reliability, and the consistency of what they get from the broadband service.
NeoTel says the service will allow small and medium businesses to run efficiently as it provides speed and flexibility. It will also assist well-established businesses operating in remote areas. Users will need a dedicated Neo Broadband router to access the service, along with an antenna to boost signal.
Our strength really evolves from the access to 15,000 kilometers of national long-distance fiber, combined with 8,000 kilometers of metro fiber, and link that to the 2 data centers and our capability in terms of fixed and wireless and WiMAX capability. It allows us to provide a ubiquitous service to customers.
From NeoTel's perspective, the Neo Broadband LTE allows us to provide services at price performance levels which suit a very varied cross-section of users. So there are a lot of people who can then actually take up use of broadband services for running their businesses and the experience that they want to get from the internet. So from that perspective, the users get connectivity now through multiple means.
It's not about coverage. What we're aiming to do is provide ubiquitous services to our target customer base, of which we're leveraging the LTE capability to complement existing. So we have a fair bit of fiber and WiMAX services right now that we can actually provide, as I mentioned in the graph, 1 meg to 100 meg service across. With this launch, we're enabling Gauteng for broadband. And it's limitless because it's any medium.
It is a wireless technology. It is a radio technology. You have to look for the right places to install the base station so that there's minimal interferences there from the other technologies or other environmental issues.
Although the network looks promising in terms of speed and flexibility, there are challenges on the rollout as it is a fixed solution and requires the right places for installation. Another challenge is for NeoTel to make sure that they are able to deliver consistent service quality because it's a shared or wireless technology. As the initial rollout starts around Gauteng, the next 18 months will see the rollout expanded into other parts of South Africa and Africa. Arthur Goldstuck is a managing director at Worldwide Works and feels that Neo Broadband will give NeoTel more capacity to provide a high-quality service for its clientele.
It won't necessarily challenge the rest of the players in the LTE market, because what NeoTel is doing with LTE is not providing the high-speed mobile broadband access that LTE makes possible. Rather, what NeoTel is doing is to say we're providing an LTE service that will replace or compete with an ADSL service where you can't get ADSL, where there isn't an ADSL exchange, or for example where the user is too far away from an ADSL exchange for it to make sense.
NeoTel is in the business of connecting people and enterprises to themselves and connecting South Africa to the world, emerging and developed to enable commerce. And that's what we see our role to be as a telecommunications and a service provider in South Africa, to really leverage the technology, take the complexity out, and enable our customers to leverage that technology to enhance their business presence and their overall business in South Africa.